Hello everyone. Now we'll start our new topic LCD programming. This programming is very important because maximum devices has LCD as output device. So LCD programming is very important. So in this session we'll start LCD programming. So to become expert in Arduino programming, you have to understand following operations. First operation is digital out operation. Second, digital input operation. Then analog out operation, analog in operation, serial out operation, serial in operation. So already we had covered these topics. So next topic is LCD programming. So LCD programming is very important because LCD is output device and maximum products are using LCD as a output device. So in this session we will see LCD programming. So before programming we will see the hardware details. So 2 by 16 means 2 line and 16 characters. So there are 2 lines and 16 characters are there. So this is 2 by 16 LCD. Now this LCD has two ICs. These ICs are known as COB. COB means chip on board. So there are two COBs. First is command COB, second is data COB. Command COB and data COB, they are memories. Data COB is used to store the content in ASCII code. ASCII code is used to display whatever you want to display. So whatever, suppose I want to display this is, so it should be in ASCII format, and that data is stored into data COB. Command COB is used to store initialization code. Initialization code means clear the LCD, go to first line, go to second line. All these commands are given to this command COB. So data COB is used for display, storing data, and command COB is used to give commands. Now this 16 by 2 has specific address, like first line first character has address 80 and second line first character has address C0. So these are the address for LCD. Now LCD pin diagrams. So pin number 1 is ground, pin number 2 is VCC, pin number 3 is VEE. VEE, power supply to control contrast. In LCD, if you want to control the brightness of alphabets or display, you can use this variable register. So variable register, fixed terminals are connected to VCC and ground, and variable terminal is connected to VEE. By changing this register, you can change the contrast of LCD. So this is the interfacing diagram for LCD, and in that pin number 1 is ground, 2 is VCC, and 3 is VEE, contrast adjustment. Pin number 4, RS, register select. If this pin is 0, then command register is selected, command COB is selected. If this pin is 1, then data COB is selected or data register is selected. Pin number 5 is RW, read write. So generally LCD is output device, so we will write into this. So this pin is always ground. And E is enable. So if it is 0, then LCD is disabled. If it is 1, LCD is enabled. Then pin number 7 to 14 are D0 to D7. Pin number 7 to 14 are D0 to D7. LCD will be operate in 3 different modes. First mode is 8-bit mode. First mode is 8-bit mode. It is known as byte mode initialization. So at that time D0 to D7 is used. Second is nibble mode. In nibble mode, D4 to D7 are used. And third is I2C, inter-integrated circuit technology, I2C display. In that you have to attach one extra shield I2C, and only on 2 pins this LCD can be operated. That 2 pins are serial clock and serial data. So that pins 7 to 14 are D0 to D7, and nowadays pin number 15 and 16 is LED positive and LED negative, which is used to provide backlight to this LCD. So this is the pin diagram of LCD. Now these are the commands for the command memory to initialize the LCD. For example, if you send 01, then clear the LCD. If you send 6, means increment cursor. If you send 80, means first line first character. If you send C0, second line first character. Now these are the commands, but in Arduino there is ready-made LCD library file. So we have to include that library file #include liquidcrystal.h. So in that library all functions are initialized. So no need to remember the code to clear the LCD. Just you have to use the instruction like this, lcd.clear. So automatically LCD will clear. So this is the advantage of Arduino, that all libraries are ready-made. Just call as per your requirement. Even if you see this LCD is 2 by 16 address lines. So there are 16 character and 2 lines. Now we are given numbers. So this is row 0 and this is row 1. This is column 0, column 1, column 2, like this. So the address of this is 0, 0. Address of this is 0, 1. So if you want to select first line, you have to give the instruction lcd dot set cursor 0, 0. So it is for first line. For second line, lcd set cursor 0, 1. So it is for second line. In market, LCD available are 1 by 16, 2 by 16, 4 by 16. Means 1 line 16 character, 2 line 16 character and 4 line 16 character. Similarly, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 4 by 20. So 1 by 20 means first line 20 character, 2 by 20 means 2 line 20 character, 4 by 20 means 4 line 20 character. So if I want to select first line, set lcd dot set cursor 0, 0. For second line, lcd dot set cursor 0, 1. For third line, lcd dot set cursor 0, 2. And for fourth line, lcd set cursor 0, 3. So by using these commands, you can select the LCD lines. Okay. So now we will see the coding for that. So hash include liquid crystal.h. This is compulsory header file we have to add. Up till now we had not added any header file, but for LCD you have to add this header file. So hash include liquid crystal.h header file. Then liquid crystal LCD. These are the pins of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, D7. In my shield, I am using pin number 2 as RS, pin number 3 as enable, 4 as D4, 5 as D5, 6 as D6, 7 as D7. So liquid crystal LCD, RS, RW, RS enable, D4, D5, D6, D7. So these pins are fixed for my shield. If you are using another shield, the pins will be changed. Then void setup. Setup program will execute only one time. So for that, you have to initialize the type of LCD. So my LCD is 2 by 16. So LCD dot begin 2 by 16. So only this setup is used to initialize the LCD. After that, I have to display something. So for that, you have to clear the LCD. So in loop, I will clear the LCD first. LCD dot clear. After that, I have to select first line. So to select the first line, my instruction is lcd dot set cursor 0, 0. Then on that first line, I have to display something. So lcd dot print double inverted comma internship dash IoT. Double inverted comma. Whenever you write anything into double inverted comma, it will be treated as ASCII. It will be treated as ASCII. So as it is, internship dash IoT will appear. Then I will select second line. LCD set cursor 0, 1. It is used for selecting second line. On second line, I will display and IoT boards. So after displaying, I have to wait for some time. Therefore, I can use delay. So delay of 1000. So I will wait for 1 second. So this is my complete program to display internship dash IoT and IoT boards. So we'll see our demonstration. So LCD is very important. Its programming is also very important. So this is my shield and I will open my program. So here there is nothing to display. This is potentiometer connected between pin number 1, 2, 3. It is used to adjust the contrast. These are my pin diagrams as per my shield. And here internship dash IoT and IoT boards. So I will upload the code. I will click on upload. So compiling is in progress. So LCD begin 2 by 16. It is 2 by 16 lines. Clear LCD. LCD set cursor 0, 0. Select first line. On first line, LCD dot print internship IoT in double inverted comma. LCD dot set cursor 0, 1. Then this will select second line. LCD dot print double inverted comma and IoT boards. And then wait for 1 second. So this program is used to display internship dash IoT and IoT boards. if you see the sample programs, there are ready-made LCD programs. So we'll see that also. In that only we have to change the pin diagram. So our pins are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 is RS, 3 is enable, 4 is D4, 5 is D5, 6 is D6, and 7 is D7. So right now compiling is in progress. After compiling, your program will be loaded into this IC. So uploading is in progress. Uploading. After uploading, see internship-IoT and IoT boards. So it is displaying internship-IoT and IoT boards. Now we'll go to example, file, example. In that example, if you see liquid crystal, in liquid crystal again there are various practicals, various demo. So you can use hello world. So I will use hello world program. So it will open ready-made program for LCD. There are n number of ready-made programs. So we are using hello world. So this is my program, hello world. These are the details who has written the program. So I don't want this, so I will delete this. So my program will start from here. Hash include liquid crystal.h, constant integer rs. So I had connected rs to pin number 2. I had connected enable to pin number 3. I had connected D4 to pin number 4. I had connected D5 to pin number 5. I had connected D6 to pin number 6, and I had connected D7 to pin number 7. So only change is I have to change the pin numbers. So I am not going to this program. I had just changed the program pin numbers, and I will upload the program. So we'll observe what happens on this display board. So it is compiling. After compiling, the programming will be loaded. Okay. So this is LCD interfacing board. So on my shield you can do anything. You can perform any practical on this shield. So see, hello world, and there is one counter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this it is incrementing. 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17. So this is my demo program. I had changed only pin diagrams. Now we'll see one video. So in this I am using this LCD shield and computerized program. So we are observing the real demonstration of LCD programming. So this is my LCD. Right now it is not showing anything. This is my shield. I am using same shield. This is connected to USB, and this is my program. In this program I had written internship on IoT and IoT board. So I will upload this program, and when I upload this program on LCD, it should display, LCD should display the string. That string is IoT. So it is compiling. This is 4-bit LCD, so we are using only D4, D5, D6, D7 of LCD. Now uploading the program. Uploading, and done uploading, and see, you are observing internship on IoT. So this is internship IoT and IoT boards. So this is LCD programming. Now I will change the string. I will write here Professor Santosh, and I will write here electronics department. Professor Santosh, electronics department. Now I will click on upload. So right now compiling is in progress. I will move this display. So right now compiling is done. Compiling is in process. Uploading. So after uploading, this data will change, and this is changed, Professor Santosh, electronics department. So this is LCD programming. Just write the code in this pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 2 is RS, 3 is enable, 4 is D4, 5 is D5, 6 is D6, 7 is D7. Setup mode LCD begin by 2 by 16. Clear the LCD, select first line. On first line display Professor Santosh, on second line display electronics department, and wait for 1 second. So this is the real practical on LCD interfacing. LCD programming is very important. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.